Look who it is!
It's been so long.
It's Alex!
Guys, it's been a year. More than a year. We back, bunnies.
Tell them what we're doing.
We are moving, guys. We are moving the hell out of Florida, and I'm excited.
I feel like we've said that a lot, but
This time we are doing it, and we're going to take you guys on the long journey.
yeah. So,
The short journey.
come on, little child.
It's
So, we've lived in South Florida for how long?
like 4 years.
A long time, and we have been thinking about moving. We considered Austin, Texas, but we never did. But for whatever reason, we're actually going to be moving.
Yeah, I'm just sick of Florida, honestly.
Yeah, I think it's just a combination of everything going on in the world, and
We need a change.
I don't know. Yeah, just need a change. So we're moving. The goal is to move by October. It is, what's the date?
It's August 4th.
August right now. And to hold ourselves accountable and keep us on track, we are going to be fixing up things around our house.
Because we need to put our house up for rent so that we could move, rent this place out, and we're going to rent a place in Austin.
Yeah, so each day we're going to be doing a little bit of work, and we're going to be doing bite-sized little YouTube videos for you guys. So the first thing that we are doing is putting our door back on our bathroom. Back in our bathroom.
Why is it gone?
Putting our door to our bathroom back on the door frame. I don't know, but you guys get the idea. Do you want some help? Hold up. Don't hurt. You're scratching the paint.
I got it.
You already scratched it.
Oh, no.
Alright, here's the door.
Hold door.
Hold on, let me.
Hold the door.
Okay, you hold the door.
You know who Hodor is? Hodor? From Game of Thrones? Hold the door. Hodor.
Like I am. Hug the door.
Okay.
Hug the door! Are you posing?
Mm-mm.
What? What do we do?
Screw it on. So the reason we took the door off is just because it's in the way. But since we're moving, we gotta put it back so that things are back to normal. Because, if the guests that stay here want to poop, they can't close the door.
Yeah. Bring her in.
We want to do everything as quickly as possible.
Alright, we got.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, here, hold up. Pants.
It's really easy, honestly. I just gotta put the door in and then drop the pins.
Dude, these sinks are nasty. Pro tip, maybe don't ever get black sinks, you guys, because... Or gold faucet. That's gonna be another project. But baby steps.
Alright, ready?
I guess. Should we start at the top or the bottom?
Whatever.
Okay.
Drop the pins.
Okay, there's one. Okay. Move the bottom, gotta go in a little bit more. It's not working. It's not working.
Do we have a hammer? Okay, give me it.
Oh my goodness.
That was the easiest project ever.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we gotta go find a hammer
Chop, chop.
because we gotta get those screws in all the way.
Wait, here's another thing that we need to fix. The dog chewed it up.
That wasn't even our dog.
Speaking of, hellos. Yeah, babies. For those of you that are new, these are our two puppies. Oh, give me pause. Thank you.
Found a hammer. By the way, we gotta organize all our tools because look, we just got random tools laying everywhere. I bought a toolbox.
Okay.
See, I'll show you. It's in here. We just need to organize it.
It's a nice hammer. You got a nice hammer. Wow. Where's that? What?
So I bought this, and it's supposed to somehow get bigger.
Oh,
Put all our tools on here.
I guess we can. There we go.
We'll start with the hammer. There we go.
Nice.
Then we'll fill her up. It opens and it closes. We can poop in here now. Ta-da! There we have it, boys.
The next thing we're doing is putting a padlock on the door.
All right, let's go do it.
This is what's gonna be harder, so.
Yeah, we're not very confident in this project.
We'll show you. Let's go.
See what happens.
We're taking a quick pit stop to
Reorganize our toolbox because it's a mess.
Yeah. So, while Alex is doing the toolbox, I'm gonna watch the tutorial on how to do this. And this video is actually just kidding. It's not. But yeah, I don't know how to do this, so I'm gonna watch this little tutorial on installing this. Thank you, Alex, for doing this. Now we have a neat and tidy toolbox. I watched the tutorial video. It looks like it's gonna be pretty challenging, so I have anxiety. Because with these things, I feel like something always doesn't work or something always goes wrong. So hopefully you can do it for us, Alex.
What?
The door thing. The tutorial looks.
You're more handy than I am.
No, I'm not. I'm the wife, housewife. Just so we can show them why. This is why we're replacing it. Because nobody wants to rent a moldy ass, whatever this is. And then what about this?
I need a new one.
Really? But this is attached to our alarm system, though. It's a whole thing. We can just get a replacement, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Step one is to remove it actually says this first.
Oh, okay.
Maybe we should read the directions.
Screw one.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Alright, so as you guys can see, this might not be this bad. We'll check in with you guys in like 20 minutes. This is our new handle. Exciting stuff.
We need lawn screws here.
We've acquired the screws.
We need the screws. I love the smell of rain on asphalt.
I don't think it needs to be that tight.
I think it is.
Well, no, because then it gets like, the screws get all like stripped and stuff, you know what I mean? You guys might be wondering why we're talking like we're...
Because we're moving to Texas.
Well, we just finished that show. The Hunter Wives. Hunter Wives.
Better watch out.
Would recommend. I thought it was amazing. 10 out of 10. But yeah, it's a bunch of housewives that talk like this, honey.
All right, now it's time for part 2. We're going to install the handle. So here we go.
We're at like...
I can't stop talking like a hunter.
I know. We're at like 40 minutes.
All right.
Maybe 30.
You gotta get like the whole trap in your hand. Get it?
Get to work.
Get the whole, grab the whole.
If I'm doing it, you better get to work.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, baby.
Since you refuse to look at the directions, you need to show us. Since you refuse to look at
There's
instructions.
nothing to see here. There's nothing to see.
Oh, let's close the door.
Oh.
It won't close because it's on the wrong way. This is what we're dealing with. So, remember I said I get anxiety about these things because something always goes wrong? There it is.
Alright, moment of truth. Try to lock it. Oop, getting stuck. Oh, man. Alright, well.
We get it. Here, just open it and lock it so it... What? I just farted.
What do we do to fix the issue?
So we moved the... What's that called? Like a bracket?
I forget.
We moved this over a little bit. And it's gonna work now. That's right. Good job. Good job. We could never do renovations. Are you kidding me? This took 2 hours. Is this all trash? Okay, y'all. That'll do it for today. We got a lot more things to do.
We sure do.
We were just talking about we got a lot. We got to pack boxes. Now we're gonna change all the door handles to black because they don't match.
We gotta change some light fixtures.
Paint the island, which we might.
And we're still trying to figure out if we want to leave this place furnished or if we're gonna take some stuff with us, but we think it'll be easier to just leave some furniture here.
Yeah.
That way we can move faster. So we're trying to get this going as quickly as possible.
See if we can make it in October.
We will. Right, Remy?
We just need to do something like every day.
Remy, don't cry.
But we're not gonna film a video every day because you guys don't need to see us like change a light bulb. But we're gonna try to do this stuff that's a little bit more. I don't think exciting is the right word because changing a door handle isn't exciting. We're doing it twofold to make sure we do it and to give you guys videos.
Yeah, it's just accountability for us.
Honestly.
But that way you can see behind the scenes of what we're doing at the moment.
Even if it's just changing a light bulb.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, and then I think once we get out of this place, we're like, we talked about it, will be kind of like a fresh start, a little reset. We'll be in a new home in Austin, which will be a whole nother adventure because I feel like...
Then we'll have more content for you guys.
Yeah.
Well, so.
And then with Austin, it's a whole new place. So we've been in Florida for so long. Like,
Lots to explore.
how long have you lived here?
Me?
You.
Florida since I was 12. So.
Since he was 12. And,
You know, Remy wants to get the hell out of here too.
Yeah, so...
Right, Remy?
Is it bad that I'm like exhausted from standing there watching you put screw in some screw?
We're old. It's okay. We're old. We're getting old. Right, babies?
We got to do more if we want to get out of here.
Yeah, let's keep doing. Keep working.
Okay, I'm gonna keep working.